Well, hello everyone. How is everyone doing today? I hope you are all doing very well. As you can see, I have redesigned my talking head page. Huh? Hey, Alexi. How you doing? Christian, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Yes, I've taken a different approach to my boring talking head screen. I thought I'd try to get a little creative, and I designed this just the other day. And what's cool is, like, that background moves. You see that? Like, I can check out my Twitter feed while I'm on here. Yeah. Next I'm gonna redesign my stream starting soon, right? I want something a little better there. Something a little more with movement. Maybe some sound. I don't know. Something not so boring. Right? Small improvements. Small improvements. Thought I'd, yeah. That man's gone from the computer. Exactly. Everyone quit! They all quit and they left. So I was like, oh, I need a new background. Can't have an empty office behind me. So, not so funny thing happened to me this weekend. So I have a big backyard project that I'm working on, and I have these columns that hold up my back patio. And one of the phases of this backyard project is I'm wrapping the base of the columns in stone, right? About 36 inches up. So they're about 19, yeah, I call it 19, 20 inches wide, little box frame around the post. And then I'm stoning them, right? Putting stone up on them. Well, as I was mixing the mortar mix, the concrete, right, to put on the back of the stone to stick it, I had mortar mix splash in my eye. And holy crap, that was painful. Man, I ran into the bathroom. I was splashing water, rinsing the mortar out of my eye, but it was too late. I think it's not so red anymore, which is good. But man, this weekend it was like bloody. Like I had blood tears from that freaking concrete scratching my eye all up. It was pretty painful. So I would recommend, if you're mixing concrete, yeah, you might want to wear some safety goggles. I'm just gonna throw that out there. You know, just you wouldn't think it. I mean, it's like mixing chocolate milk. You know, you don't wear safety goggles for that. I was thinking, hey, I'm just mixing up some mortar in a bucket. What's the worst that could happen? Yeah. Don't do that. Don't get concrete in your eyes. That's not good. So today, I thought we would start learning some Vue, right? So last week, we went through the pains of React, and I quickly determined React was not for me. It only took 2 streams. Like, yeah. Nope, I'm not that crazy. I'm not that hardcore web, right? So I'm going to try to learn Vue from file new today. And let's see how easy, how hard. I've never even seen Vue code before. I don't even know what it looks like. So I figured we just jump right on into that. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me pop over to my desktop here. And let's start with our good old Google Foo. Getting started with Vue.js. Okay, we have this. Oh, Vue.js.org. Ha, Plugo. I love your React tries, though. I'm lucky it's nothing for you. Yeah. It's different faux show. Not my type of framework. Okay, so Vue, we got some documentation. It looks like getting started. The easiest way to try out Vue is using... No, I don't want to try out JS Fiddle. What is it with these frameworks thinking that the best way to learn their framework is in the browser? No, I want to write some freaking code. I want to set up a project from scratch. Okay, installation. Let me click on this button. Vue does not support IE 8. No problem. I'm not using it. Okay. Development version. Simply download and include with a script tag. Vue would be registered as a global variable. Really? I want the product version. A JavaScript file? Come on, there's got to be an easier way than this. This is already painful. Oh, look, over here. What's this? CLI. CLI. This is what I want. An official CLI. That's what I want. Make it easy for me. People, dang. It only takes a few minutes. Watch it. No, I don't want to watch a video. Just show me how to install the CLI. Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? No? Do I have to click? Okay, let me just click on this button. Okay. Oh, come on. How many links do I have to click on to know how to install their product? I want to use your CLI. Show me how to use your CLI. Let me click on this link. Okay. Another getting started. At Vue/CLI. Okay. Interactive prototyping. Okay. Upgradable. Okay, so the CLI at Vue/CLI is a globally installed NPM package to provide. Okay. CLI service is a development dependency. I don't care about that. Wow. Where are my instructions? I'm assuming because they're providing at CLI, at Vue/CLI, I have to use this to install. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna open a command prompt. I'm gonna guess, even though it didn't give me instructions, at Vue/CLI. Okay, I'm guessing that's what I had to do. Now, they didn't provide me instructions, which I'm a little upset about. Especially if you're brand new to web like me. I might not know it. Luckily, I know about NPM and stuff because of my past experience learning Angular. But if I didn't know that, and I'm coming straight to this website, I have no idea how to install this. It just says it's a globally installed NPM package. Provides a Vue command. Okay. Okay. Plugins. All right. So what I want to do is I have a dev folder that I play in here. Type my CMD, so I got my command prompt in that location. Because I'm assuming I'm going to be using this CLI to create my project. Okay, so I would, you know what? I'm going to come back to this. We should edit this page on GitHub to say, to install the CLI, type this in a command prompt or your favorite terminal. Okay. Instant prototyping. Why would I have to do this? CSLI service global. They require an additional global add-on to... What? See, you would think installing would be in the installation topic. Oh, it is! I was on the overview. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's an installation topic. And I did exactly what I was supposed to do. Yes, Vue.js. Gonna give this a go. Give this a whirl. All right, so let's check our version by typing Vue -- version. 4.0.5, okay. After installation, you'll have access to Vue. Okay, so I got a little ahead of myself. I had to just click on the installation topic. And it showed you how to install this. I don't know what this instant prototyping is. I don't know why I would have to install a separate CLI service global. That's kind of... I want to go to create a project. Okay, create a project. Vue create hello world. I can do that. Vue, whoops. Create hello Vue world. Oh my gosh. And let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Please pick a preset. Babel ES. Okay, I don't know what Babel is, but we'll do that. Alexi, I do not like that web features like Node, yeah, etc. Babel ES. I'm gonna go with the default because I don't know what Babel is. Now ESLint, I think, is like a linter to keep my my syntax in check, if I remember correctly. Okay, installing generators. Holy crap, 1,136 packages from 823 contributors. I'm telling you, every web framework I use blows my mind. As a desktop developer, you want to add how many hundreds of megabytes of dependencies that you have no idea who wrote them or where they came from, and you're going to use that in your production code? Yeah, you guys are crazy. All right, so let's go cd hello Vue world, and I'm going to open this up in code. Babel is just a JavaScript transpiler. Oh, okay. Thanks, Bricky. So what do we have here? We have source, have app.vue, I have some component. I have a component. The vector extension is recommended for this type of file. What the heck is the vector? Should I install this? Sure. I mean, I guess I can always uninstall it, right? Installing. Well, you're taking your sweet time. Well, while you do that, I will finish reading some docs here. Yep, I did that. Oh, I have a TypeScript option. Oh, I should recreate that. I want TypeScript. Yes. Okay. Okay. Because did I get TypeScript automatically here? I don't think I did. Did I? Actually, I know how to find out. Is types? I don't see TypeScript here. This is just okay. I'm sorry, everyone, but I'm going to do that again because I want TypeScript. That will make it much easier on myself. So I will delete that version. What? It's not open. Is it open somewhere else? Maybe it's open. Hold on. Ugh. Fine. Don't delete. Nothing else is using it. Okay, Hello World 2. Or TypeScript. Whoops. Vue create. Hello World. Hello Vue World TypeScript. Okay. Manually select features. TypeScript. Furkan, how you doing, buddy? Thanks for joining. We're just creating a Vue project. Okay. There, TypeScript. I don't know what this other stuff is. I don't care about end-to-end testing. I don't care about unit testing. Well, I don't care about CSS preprocessors right now. I don't know what Vuex is. Router, not there yet. Okay. Use class style component syntax. What is this? Where's my docs? Okay, the default setup is for quickly prototyping the project. Okay, da da da. Force. Oh, hey, Wombat! Wombat993, thanks for the follow. Did you see my new follower alert? Huh? That was pretty cool, right? Yes! Custom made, baby. So the new version of Vue was rewritten in TypeScript. I have no idea. I'm trying to figure this out. I've never done Vue before. Use class style component syntax. Sure. Use Babel along TypeScript required for modern mode auto detect. Sure. Pick a linter. Oh my god, I don't know. Which linter? ESLint with error prevention only? Standard. Oh my god. Maybe I should have kept the old project. God. Oh. What is this? Plugins. Okay, I'm not ready for that yet. Ugh. I guess I should have kept the simple stuff. But I wanted TypeScript. But I don't understand these other options. Yeah, that's just... I don't know. Where do you want to place and config for Babel? I don't know. Sure. No, don't save this preset. Because I don't know what that means. I don't know what I just did. I just wanted TypeScript. Apparently you can't just get TypeScript. You got to know everything else involved. And they don't really explain. I guess you just have to know, right? Yeah, you just have to know. Oh, there's a GUI? Ooh, there's a GUI. Hold on, let's check this out. I want to try the GUI too. So how do I do that? Vue UI. Let's type it. What do we get here? Oh, this is kind of neat. No existing. Okay, so create. Nope. I want to go to dev. Create a project here. Type name. Vue UI project. Okay. Package manager. NPM. Get. No, I don't want that. I don't care about that right now. Scaffold project without beginner's instructions. No. I need that. Overwrite target. Okay, next. Hey, this is kind of cool. Furkan, are you trying to evaluate all the front end? Yes! I'm evaluating the front end technologies. I'm checking them out, right? Like last week was React, and I didn't like that at all. So now this week is Vue. What happens if I say select, manually select Babel? Okay. TypeScript. Okay. Lint on, so this is a little better, actually. I see I have some defaults. Use class style component syntax. Use Babel along, okay. See, this is all... Okay, so checking code errors and enforcing homogeneous code style is recommended. Pick a linter. Oh, I still have to pick a linter. Airbnb, what the heck? Airbnb. I'm not on vacation. Let's go ESLint plus prettier. Right? ESLint plus prettier, whatever that means. What the heck? No, I continue without saving. Hey, this UI is kind of cool, though. That's a nice little feature, especially for people like me. I remember when I first opened Visual Studio Code, and I was trying to create a new project, and there was no file new project. It blew my mind. I remember that day. Like, how do I create a new project? I don't understand. Okay. Welcome to your new project. Oh, there's a dashboard. You can put widgets, plug it, ready to kill. I don't know what that means. Plugins. Okay, we got some dependencies. Okay, configuration. Now, I don't know what all this is. This is probably... I just want to write some code right now. Oh, serve? Run task. Is this like the script? Let's try it. Let's try it. Are we going to run it? I'm going to run it. What happens? This is pretty cool. I ain't going to lie. This is pretty cool. But I don't know how to, does it open it? No, it doesn't open my project though. Oh, open app. Wait, open app? Yeah, here it is. Here's my Vue app. Okay, this is pretty in depth. I'm gonna hop out of this because I'm squirrel, right? Squirrel. I just want to start writing some code. All right, so let me go back to my development folder here. And we went, hello, wait, where's my project? The one with the TypeScript. Gary Dome. Hey, you can't delete the folder because your terminal current directory. Oh, is that what it was? Oh my goodness, did I do what I think I did? I did. Look at that. Cut. Paste. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Okay, let's open this one. Vue UI project. This is the project we created with the UI, which was pretty cool. That was pretty sick. I like that. Let's open up our source. We have this Vue. So this is app.vue. Looks like we have a template. Hello world. This looks like a component to me. This looks very much like a component. So if I look in here, yep, boom, look at that. I bet this is called a component. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I need to go back to the getting started. Here. Should I go to the introduction? Ooh, it's a progressive framework. Unlike monolithic frameworks. Yeah, I don't like monolithic frameworks. Do not like them. I like modular apps. Modular frameworks. Okay. Vue was designed from the ground up to be incredible adaptable. Incrementally. Oh, I thought it said incredible. I was getting ahead of myself. I'm just adding words. Incrementally adaptable. Okay, on the other hand, Vue is perfectly capable. Single page applications when you use modern tooling support. Okay. Not watching the video. Okay, I installed it already. Declarative rendering. Render data to the DOM using straightforward template syntax. Okay, I am very familiar with the mustaches here. Man, they just kind of hop right into that, huh? Conditionals and loops. Okay. Man, they just hop right into it. Handling user input. V-on. Okay, we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. I need to know some concepts. It definitely looks component-based. And Gary Dome says, yes, it is. It's a component, so it is component-based. Allows us to build large-scale applications composed of small, self-contained, often reusable components. Yep, just like Angular. Just like React had components. In Vue, a component is essentially a Vue instance with predefined options. Register component in Vue is straightforward. Vue.component. Okay, let's open up our app here. Actually, let's do this. Side by side, baby. Side by side. So I have one component and a logo. I have a main. I bet the main... This is probably the entry point to the application. I see this new view, render app. And then this is app. Which it looks... Okay, we have a concept of a template. Which probably holds our view definition, our template. This is what I'm kind of getting. And this template, I have my hello world component. Okay, now we're inside script tags here. We're exporting the class app and extends view. We're declaring a component called hello world. And we have some styling. Okay, so far the structure is a little weird, ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie, it's a little weird. Okay, so yeah, view.component. That was here. No, that wasn't there. I don't see that anywhere, actually. Here's app equals new view. Where did I see that? Here, new view, right there. We saw that there. There's new view. ... Props, template. Okay. Man, just trying to jump into this. Let me scroll down. I don't want to... I always do this. I start talking in components and depth. Dude, I just want to understand this. You're starting with registration. I don't even know. Because I'm not seeing any of that in here. I see extends view. I have a component decorator, if you will. We definitely have scripts. So if I look at hello world, the top is a template that matches what's in the app.view. Template, our HTML. Then we have script, which is in TypeScript, which I'm going to like. And then below that, style. Okay, so it looks like our view component is divided into 3 sections. We have our template, a script section, and a style section. Okay. I got that. So if we start with app view, our template represents our HTML markup. The script... Let me look at this one. I think the script is like the code behind, is maybe. I'm not seeing any interaction or anything yet. But I do see a prop. Oh, Jerry Dome. The Vue class instance must serve from some specific element, something like div. ID equals app. So, if I understand you, Gary Dome, we have a div ID equals app. But that just maps to this, right? We're saying we're going to render our app component on the app div. Wait a minute. Is that right? This is the app div. Which, oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we're mounting this div. This is the div we're rendering. Right? Is that what I'm getting from this? Oh God, not C#. This is not C#, Frankus. This is TypeScript. TypeScript, not C#. See, TS. I'm just trying to figure out how this app, this Vue app is put together. Because it didn't really tell me up here. It talked about the Vue instance. Var VM equals new view. But in this app created with the CLI, we don't really have that. We have new view, but we have render and this mount, which they don't talk about. See, they have new view, data. I'm not seeing anything about this line of code here. But I'm assuming it's gonna render the app component, but the app component with the ID app as the first page, because that's the main. This is the entry point, right? Yes, yes, Gary Dome, this is the entry point. Yes, I'm right. Someone tell my wife that. She doesn't ever think I'm right. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Honey, I love you. If you're watching, you're always right. I'm always wrong. Okay. So, this Vue file is made up of 3 sections: a template, a script, a style. I see we're styling this main div by accessing its ID. Okay, that makes sense. The script here, it looks like we are... It's almost as like we're defining components it uses. For the docs is not TypeScript specific. I think it's simple Vue usage without it. Yeah, you're probably right. But I like TypeScript. Is it even legal to name some function starting with an @ symbol? This is not a function. In Angular, this is a decorator. So I'm assuming this is a similar concept in Vue. I think it's just a decorator. I think what we're saying is this app is being marked as a component. And it also uses components such as Hello World, which we are using here. Do you have to declare the components that your component uses? TypeScript support. Oh, here, let's look. Okay, CLI, editor support, basic usage. Okay, ooh, let's look here. Class style, Vue components. The preferred class-based API when declaring components, you can use the officially maintained Vue class component decorator. Aha! See? It's a decorator. Right there. That's a decorator. I was right again. I'm on a roll. And then we okay, so yes, this is very similar to Angular actually. And that means we can have messages. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So this is gonna be inside the class there. Right? So if I say message string equals hello from my code, then I should be able to do something like h2 message, right? Something like that. And is it Vue serve? Is that it? npm start. Okay, how do I run this project? How do I run this project? Command Vue serve requires a global add-on to be installed. Please run npm install. Okay. Let's do this. Even though the CLI should have done that for me. I should install one thing and it just work, people. Package.json. Yeah, see, it won't work because I didn't have that service, CLI service. I'm installing that now. Does it have npm scripts? I'm not sure if it does or not, honestly. I don't think so, because I tried. I set npm start and Oh, it just didn't have a script for start. Actually, oh, maybe it does. That's probably an npm script right here. npm serve calls the Vue CLI service serve. Right there. So if I go npm serve. Yep. Oh, wait. Maybe not. Vue serve. What? npm run serve? That's weird. I never had to do that before. Hey, where's my... Did it not pop up open for me automatically? Where is this? Let's go localhost 8080. No. It didn't tell me what port it's running on. What port? Oh, but I'm missing. I have an error. I have an error. I'll save that. Tyranius 90, how you doing? Okay, let's try this again. Will it give me the... Will it open it for me? No, it did not open it for me, but I can control click. Okay. Hello from my code. Yes. Yes. Clear the console. Oh, let's start a new one. Look at that. I love it. Right there. There's my code. I did some binding. And I'm good to go. Okay. Success. I had a success. On click. Ooh, let's do some on click. Let's do some on click. So message. So let's do what, we can do a button, right? Do a button. Click me. Whoops. Clear console. Destroy first terminal, then it would conflict. No, it won't conflict. I open up a secondary one because on this one here, on the node, I don't know why it's two different ones. This is running my browser, but I can still do stuff here, and it will automatically hot reload. Okay, so what is the syntax for this? It looks like their syntax is at click. Right? That's what it looks like. So like for example, in Angular, I would do the parentheses like this. But it looks like in Vue, I'd do an at symbol. And then I add my handler. And then I go into my code here. Do my on click. And we can do window.alert. What's up? Oh no. Yeah, what's up? You guys remember that commercial? What's up? Whoops. Okay, well, here's my button. There we go. What's up? There we go. Got it. Got it. Okay. So far, so good. For con, like Blazor. Yes, kind of like Blazor. The at symbol, the at thing is like, it's a Blazor thing, huh? Okay, so event handlers look pretty easy. On click, okay. Augmenting types for use with plugins. Okay, what is this? Plugins may add value or add to Vue's global instance properties. Okay, not there yet. I'm not there yet. Yep, not there yet. Okay. Let's go back up to... Oh, yeah, that was event handling. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? V-on. Lily, good morning to you. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome, as I try to figure out this thing they call Vue. Vue.js. It's a little confusing right now. Not gonna lie. I created a TypeScript project using the Vue CLI, but none of the documentation is referencing TypeScript. So, for example, this V-on click. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna see if this even works. I'm gonna save that. However, good things about Vue. Never touched it myself. Well, we're touching it today. Add. Okay, see, this doesn't work. That doesn't work. I wonder. Oh, wait a minute. let me add a counter. That's probably an int. Wait, no. Sorry. Number. Right. There, that does work. Well, hold on. What's V-on? Yep, ta-da! I need sound effects. I need sound effects. I need to do like Fritz and have like buttons I push for sound effects. So Gary Doe, V-on event name. We could use V-on directive to listen to DOM events and run some JavaScript when they're triggered. Oh, so I'm running JavaScript here. However, if I wanted to do more of a TypeScript approach, I would go @click. Wait, will that still work? Will that still work? Let me check. Is there any errors? Is that even valid syntax? I don't even think that's valid syntax. Wow. Okay, that worked. Oh, Gary, symbol is short for V-on click. Oh, okay. But I can also say on add 1. And then I can come in here and say on add 1. Right? Counter plus equals 1. I can do that. No, not plus equal. Yeah. This dot counter. Got to do that. This dot counter. Oh no! And I can do that too. Sweet. Sweet. Okay. Okay, that's not so bad. That's not so bad at all, actually. And I love the fact that I'm using TypeScript because it's so much easier for me to understand than that crazy JavaScript vomit that people write. Ugh. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. Don't get offended. Okay. Method event handlers. So while I can do... So if I ever see V-on semicolon click or event name, I know that's the same thing as the @ symbol, which I will always use the @ symbol because it's less code I have to write. And it looks better. I mean, look. This looks so much better than that. So much better. Okay. So same thing. Okay, methods and inline handlers. Okay. Well, can I do this? Oh, I keep doing that. See, I am a C# developer. Can I do this? I can do that too. Beautimous. That is beautimous. Okay. So that makes sense. Now, how do I get... Oh, hold on. Here we go. It already answered my question I was about to ask. Right there. Sometimes we need access to the original DOM event in an inline statement handler. So, yes. So I can even pass $event. I don't know what I'm going to call this. Just call it event, I guess. I don't know what type it is. But let me do this. Oh, no. Let me do this. Console.log event. And I'm going to... Oh, wait. Oh, what's this? 1 error and 7 warnings. Where's my error? Did I forget something? Module error. $event. Okay, it's not telling me what it is. I don't have any red squigglies. Anyone see my code? Can I not do that? It says I could do $event. Right here. See that? Is that not allowed? Okay, maybe I shouldn't strongly type this. What if I don't strongly type it? What if I do that? Can I do that? No, it's going to make me strongly type. Okay. What if I just do this? Can I do this? Save? No, that won't work. What's my output say? Debug, output, debug. Nope. Good day from Costa Rica. Ernesto, thanks for joining. You get to help me figure out what I did wrong. I'm just following the directions. I have V on click. Add one. Event. I did that. V on click. Event. It's the same thing. Here, let me copy and paste. Maybe it doesn't like my $sign on my keyboard. No, it's the same thing. Okay, let's try this. Let's get rid of that. And get rid of this. Save. Okay, that's the problem. Yeah, 7 warnings potentially fixable with -- fix. For some reason, it didn't like this. But I'm following directions. Okay. Why did that not work? See, watch. I save. And now I have problems. Oh, apparently -- fix is an unknown option. It's going to try to have it fix it for me, but it won't. Okay, I know I'm not doing anything crazy. You could pass it into a method using the special $event variable. $event variable. You see that? V on click equals. V on click equals. Maybe it doesn't like V. Let me try at. Let's try this. No, same thing. Replace what? Wait a minute. Oh, that's a warning. Oh, for one, it looks like it doesn't like my double quotes. Oh, it can't be because of that. Because I put, for example, 1 comma. I could go here. I could put value number comma value, right? Save. It's the same problem. Same problem. Failed to compile. Here's my error. Unexpected console statement. Really? That was it? There's no, you can't do a console.log? Yeah, that was it. You can't do console.log. That was my problem. But I want to be able to log this. Vue.js console.log. Why can't I do that? Oh, I'm sure someone could tell me. Oh my god, that browser background. I love hedgehogs. Oh, Lily, did you see my new talking head screen? Check this out. Boop. Hey. How cool is that? It's a redesign. I just did it the other night. And this is all like, this all moves. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of that. Yeah, so there's no console.log. Create a mixin named log.js and a mixin. Oh, there's something special you have to do for console.log. Well, that kind of blows. Okay, that's too much work. Sorry. Oh, here's a Vue.js tips. Vue.js tips. No, I don't want to sign in. Single line console.log support on this tip. Oh, yes, good tip. You can't use console. I'm not inside HTML tags for one. I'm not inside of it. What the heck? Okay, is there like a view.log? Whoops. Is there a view log? View $sign log? Whoops. Ernesto, guess you're inside of a rendering process of the template. I guess, but still. Vue.js console log TypeScript. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, I'm removing and copying files. Okay, so I found my first complaint. Gary, okay. Okay. Gary has a suggestion. Window.console.log. Let's try this. Let's try... Oh! Uh-oh! I think Gary has the solution. And where's my console? Right there, mouse event. Thank you, Gary Dome. Yes, you are. I'm telling you, lifesaver. You are a lifesaver. That, I gotta document that. Hold on. I'm taking a note. Taking a note. Console.log. Oh, what did I... No, OneDrive, go away. Go away. Oh, wow, that works. Oh my god. Window.console.log. That's important to know. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. We're making progress now. And so when I click that, I can see the mouse event and I can get all the information off of it. So, for example, I can say event dot type. Right? I can do that. Now I click on it. And there it is. Click. Here. Whoops. Right there. Click. Bop, 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 bop. 4 clicks. Sweet. This is awesome. Okay. So is everyone inside a window object not going to work? I have no idea. BK_me. You can also try rules, no console, off, and ESLint config. Maybe. I'm not that advanced yet. I like this. I'm gonna stick with this for now. This is my skill level at the moment, is that. Okay. So we figured out how to handle events, pass some data, and get the event args from the event. IoT Fire, how you doing? Good to see you, brother. Thanks for joining. Okay. Now, event modifiers. Event.prevent default or stop prop. What? Stop, do this. On some. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck? It would be better if the methods could be purely about data logic rather than having to deal with DOM event details. Yeah, Gary, it's something like window methods isn't exposed to global context. That's why that console wouldn't work. But window.console.log. Totally. Okay. What the heck is an event modifier? Why do I care? Why is it very common need to call prevent default or stop propagation? Although we can do this easily inside methods, it'd be better if the methods can be purely about data logic rather than having to deal with DOM event details. Vue provides event modifiers for v-on. Recall that modifiers are directive postfixes denoted by a dot. The click events do this. Okay. Let's try that. So what I do at click dot stop equals stop me. And then we'll have a method here. I don't know if it needs to return anything or not. Is the problem. So for now, we'll just do this. And window.console.log stopped. Oops. Not stoped, stopped. Okay. Let's go here. Let me shrink this down. So add. No, it didn't. Okay, I'm not hitting this. Did I spell that right? Stop me. Yes, I am spelling that right. But I did not hit that at all. Interesting. Okay, don't care about that. I want to know what these are, why I care. And do these return anything? Show me some code. Okay, it didn't show me anything about what these methods return. Wait, do this on some... Event modifiers make it easy, for example, stop context menu from showing when right-clicking, not writing code inside event handler. So this is supposed to prevent the click event from occurring? But how does it know? Like, I don't see any code here. I don't see any code. I'm not hitting this method either. Okay, I'm going to do the long form. For one, I'm going to do the long form. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this because I have my counter to know. Yeah, okay, so this is not being hit right here. Yeah, Ernesto, right. It should fire once and then kill propagation. So I should hit this line of code. Right? I like that syntax better. Look, nothing. Nothing. It still happens. Does it have to return like a Boolean? Oh my gosh, you're right. Wrong button. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, it helps if I click the right button. It helps if I click the right button. I'll give you that. Oh, that's ridiculous. However, how do I stop it? Like, how do I stop it from happening? The click event's propagation will be stopped. It's almost as if the alert shows first and then I see stopped, right? So if I click this button, I see alert. Stop is not there. And then I hit OK and now I hit stopped. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Emilios G. You're doing it wrong. You only have one click event, but you add that method to the event handler. It's not for stopping your code. Oh! Oh! Okay, so it's like this. So I only have it once. Oh wait, it's still going though. On click. I thought it should only happen once. Because it should stop propagating the event, right? I guess it doesn't stop. I thought if it's supposed to stop propagating, the submit event will no longer reload the page. Okay. Modifiers can be chained. Just the modifier. Use capture mode when adding the event. Okay. Only trigger handler if event.target is the element itself. What does this mean? Yeah. At least it's counterintuitive. You have a bunch of coders guessing what it does. Exactly. I thought stop means you click once and you stop propagation. It won't have. Okay, so I don't know how it is in the web world, but in WPF we have what's called a routed event. So you have bubbling and tunneling events, and so you can click on a button and that event will tunnel down your child hierarchy, if you will, and it could be listened to at like a very nested child level. Now, during that process, you can handle the event and stop the propagation of that event from going down any further. I wonder if that is what it does, but I don't know if events work that way in web. I don't know if I can handle this button clicks event somewhere else. Yeah, but it's an alert of propagation. Okay, let's get rid of an alert. Let's not do the alert. Let's comment that out. And let's just let's change a message. right? Let's change our message. This dot message. Man, I gotta get used to that. I'm still not used to that. And then, you know what? I'm probably gonna want to do this. Probably want to. Oh, see, I did it again. Okay, let's try this. I wonder if... Nope. It still didn't stop it. Still works. Try creating an anchor instead of a button with an alert, which redirects to a different page. Okay, I'm not there yet, Emilios. I'm not into navigation. I'm into the very basic, just how this stuff work phase. Okay. So, actually, I'm going to make this a little easier myself because I'm going to get rid of this mess. Oh, wait. Message. Yeah, I want to get rid of that. And I'm going to... Yeah, that's good. Oh, well, that's true. Yeah, but it's... But look, event.prevent or event.stop propagation, right? So this should be event name stop, event name prevent. So click prevent, click capture, click self, click once. All right, I'm gonna move on. I don't know what any of that means. So this is an input. When listening for keyboard events, we often need to check for specific keys. Yes, we do. Allowing key modifiers while listening for key events. Okay, that makes sense. Let's do this. Let's add an input. You know, one thing I wish it would do would auto like close my my elements for me. It doesn't do that for me for some reason. Okay, so input at key up. We'll say on key up. Is that 2 words? 1 word? I don't know. We'll say 1 word. At key up. Ooh. Here we go. We'll change this. We'll change this to on key up. And and let's do this. $event. Right? Then take this event any key up. Perfect. Keyboard event. Looks like key. Can I just do this? Can I just do key up.key? Oh, do I have to put the type? I thought it was implied. Doesn't it like default to text? Okay, let's clear this. Clear. B R I E N. Perfect. Okay. Back. Awesome. Okay, so now on enter submit. Oh, that has to be in a form though. I don't want to be inside of a form. Only call vm.submit when the key. Oh, okay. Key up dot enter. Wouldn't that be key down? Key up, key down. Who cares? So let's clear this. Oh, that is cool. But if I tab out, it doesn't work. So you can't really use that. Because tab is very important, right? So what if I said tab? Is that a thing? Is that a thing? Brian, Lagunas, tab. Okay, tab's not a thing, apparently. Tab. Nope. Tab is not a thing. You can directly use valid key names exposed via the keyboard.key event.key as modifiers by converting them to keybab case. What the hell is keybab case? In the above example, the handler will only be called if the event.key is equal to page down. Oh, okay. Separate the word, lowercase. Key up. That's cool. Dot page dash down. That didn't refresh. There we go. That's weird. Okay. Brian, Lagunas, page down. Sweet. Page up. Nope, not page up, but only page down. Hey, that's kind of cool. Snake case. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I gotta share this with everybody in chat. Because I upload this to YouTube, and not everyone who watches on YouTube gets to see the comments. But Emilios just had a great comment that everyone should see. The Keybab case, Camo case, Pascal case, and the Snake case. Awesome. That is documented for prosperity. Thank you, Emilios. I appreciate that. Thanks for sharing that. Now, everyone on YouTube who watches this will get to see. Okay. So these are pretty cool. These are cool. Key modifiers. These are actually in Angular as well, except they're a little easier to understand in Angular. They work more how you would expect them to work. Okay. Well, actually, hold on. I take that back. No, these work exactly the same. It's these that didn't make sense up here. These don't make sense to me. I don't understand event modifiers yet. I misspoke. Yeah, I don't understand the event modifiers. Don't know if it's real. Okay, key codes. Using key codes, attributes is also permitted. Key up -13. Or .13. Okay, Vue provides aliases for most commonly used keynotes when... Hey, look, tab is a thing. Mustafa. Thank you for the follow. Tab is a thing. Vue provides aliases for most commonly used key codes when necessary for legacy browser support. Oh, legacy. I guess they mean old. Delete captures both delete and... Okay. Let's do that. Delete. Blah, 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 blah. Yep. Blah, blah, blah. Awesome. A few keys, escape, and all arrow keys have inconsistent key values in IE9. Okay, I don't care about that. System modifier keys. Control, Alt, Shift, Meta. Oh, I'm not on a Macintosh, so I don't worry about that. I don't care. Alt 60. So it will actually have me. I could. Oh, 67 stands for the C. Is that what that meant? I was wondering what 13 meant. The use of key code events is deprecated and may not be supported in new browsers. Oh! Ah. Okay, probably don't want to use key codes. I guess I should have saw that first. I didn't even read that. I'm not going to spend time on that. But they're using one right here. Control click. Do something. I'll try that. I'll try a control click. I didn't even read that. I skimmed too fast. I can't help it. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Control click. Control click. Control press. Nope. Control. Key up control. There we go. Oh, wow. Did you see that? Oh, that's because I pasted. Oh, crap. Don't do that. Okay, I got it. I got it. That's kind of neat. So I guess that Control S could be your save, right? Okay, the exact modifier. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that, though. Get rid of that. Yeah, I did. I realized that, Gary. I realized that. I was reading click control, but in my example, it was key up. My brain was thinking something, and my code was a different way. The exact modifier allows control of exact combinations of system modifiers needed to trigger an event. Click control, yeah, on click. This will only fire when control and no other keys are pressed. Oh. Oh, that's cool. So I can say key up dot exact. And if I'm holding any other modifier like shift, nope, shift is not a modifier, it's control or alt, huh? So control, and I'm typing, whoops, oh, gotta watch those shortcut keys there. So like control N. It didn't type, but it's just N by itself. Okay. Okay, control L. Okay. Okay, no more shortcut keys. Stop that. I'm gonna get rid of that. Button modifiers. Okay. Okay, yep. There's many benefits to using V-on. It's easier to locate the handler. You don't have, yeah, okay. When a view model is destroyed, all event listeners are automatically removed. I want to know, make click control dot exact. Okay. Well, no, I don't want to click. Well, I guess I could do click. But, yeah. I want to see where it says about this, because I like this syntax, the @ symbol, much better than the V-on. Eggsy76, can I bother you with a coding question? I'm too stupid to do. Sure, I may not be any smarter, though, especially if it's web. If it's a web question, the chat room can help you. But shoot. Eggsy, shoot your question. Let's go. What do you got? Here, let me... we got an image here. Well, there's no image actually. I don't see an image. No image. See? No image. Nope. Empty image. Image equals null. All right, let's move on. Try to get the Eggsy, get your image fixed, and we'll take a look again. All right. I think I have a solid understanding of event handling inside of Vue. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Eggsy has a another image here. Nope. Nope, I don't have one there either, Eggsy. Sorry. Okay. Form input bindings. Text. Okay, I got this. I got this message right here. Multi-line text. Okay, I'm not sure I want to do this right now. I understand this syntax, although they didn't really talk about it, did they? List rendering, conditional rendering, class and style. Let me go back to template syntax. I think I might have skipped some stuff. I think I got ahead of myself. Interpolations? Yes. Okay, so interpolations. Angular has the same concept. I totally remember using this. Okay. This is very easy to understand. This is... In Angular, interpolation is read-only. It's not two-way in Angular. I don't know if it's the same for Vue. Yep, the mustache. Replace the message property with corresponding data object. Oh, Emilio says Vue is two-way. DigiCrests. I used Vue one time for like a week over a year ago. Been using React for like 6 months now, and I miss Vue. Yes. Yes, DigiCrest. I don't know if you saw my last week streams. I did 2 streams on trying to learn React, and I didn't care for it. I'm already liking Vue better. Already. It's very similar to Angular so far. Okay, so this is nice. As Gary pointed out, this is actually two-way in Vue. So when you're doing Angular, you have a different syntax, right? For doing a two-way binding. And even with the one-way binding, you have interpolation, you have property binding, and then you have your two-way. Yeah, it's confusing. Gary, V model is two-way. Oh, so maybe this right here. Maybe this here is one-way still. Let me read. Let me read here. Okay. No, it will also be updated whenever the data objects. Yes. It will replace the value. Okay. And it will be updated. So this is a one-way, one-time. Oh, you could perform one-time interpolations that do not update on data changes by using the V once directive. Ooh. That's kind of cool. That's kind of neat, actually. Where was I updating this? On click? Right here. I was doing that. But can I do this? So if I go to update this. Yeah. Right there. That did not wait. Yeah, that's not updating. But if I get rid of that. There we go. Check that out. That's pretty cool. I like that. As far as I know, the proper term is reactive. The template is re-rendered when you change your data. Well, the framework is React. React, right? I mean, you create a React project and all that stuff. That's the JavaScript framework. Then you have native, React Native. It's another thing. Then you have reactive extensions for like Angular. IO2 Fire, thinking of React. Brian and friends, what you think of this news from Ignite last week? Let's take a look. Let's look at some news. Microsoft looks to React Native as a way to tackle the cross-platform development puzzle. I don't know. If React Native is anything like the React I was learning last week, I will have to have a bucket next to me every time I write an app with it because I will be puking constantly. Yeah. Did not like React. Did not like it. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, let's get rid of everything except my buttons here. Let's get rid of this hello world for now. There we go. Better? I think that's better. Oh, Eggsy's back. Eggsy's back with another image. What do we got? Oh, sorry, I messed that one up. Oh, here we go. Input string. An ordered vector containing all the letters of alphabet. Create a new string, replacing the original letters with those immediately following. I don't understand, Eggsy. I don't understand what you're after here. Alphabet question. Is this like a task you're trying to accomplish? All right. Digicrest. React and React Native are almost the same. Just have to swap how you style things and change your render components to not be using DOM elements like div and p, but to use React Native components like view and text. Oh my gosh. I'll tell you what, I did not like React. Did not like it. So I hope, oh, Zamcat! Hey, Zamcat! IoT is betting a lot on Xamarin Forms. Xamarin Forms is an interesting technology for sure. Okay, so I'm going to assume interpolation is a one-way binding. That's what I don't think that's two-way. I do not think that's two-way. To prove my point, I wonder if I could bind my text to the message somehow. Right? And then change it. No, I don't want to do that. Let's keep going. Me and my squirrels, I'll tell you what. Why did Google have to use Dart for Flutter instead of being normal and using JS? You know what? I think I would have preferred TypeScript over JavaScript. I can't stand JavaScript. I'm sorry, people. I can't stand it. It's so loosey-goosey. It's so hard to read. Like, really hard to read. So's React. React was hard to read. That code was very hard to read. And Eggsy, you didn't even say what language you were in. Are you trying to do that in C#? Are you trying to do that in JavaScript? Are you trying to do that in TypeScript? If you're in C#, there's all kinds of string manipulations and link that allows you to like reverse things and sort things and all kinds of crazy stuff built right in. English. Okay, attributes. Mustaches cannot be used inside HTML attributes. Instead, use a vbind. So vbind ID equals dynamic ID. In the case of Boolean attributes, where the mere existent implies true, vbind works a little differently. In this example, vbind disabled. Oh, I get what they're saying. This is the property binding. This is very similar to property binding inside Angular. Okay. So vbind is let's do this. Let's add a property here. Is disabled. We'll do a Boolean, and we'll set it to true. We'll set it to true. And on this button here, right, we'll say v dash bind disabled equals is disabled. Let's see what happens. And it's disabled. If I turn this to false, it's enabled. Okay, that's easy. Okay, so we have two different types of binding so far. We have our interpolation, which is the mustaches, right? The curly braces. And then we have this vbind for property binding. Or attributes, I should say. Sorry, attributes. I'm a C# dev. I can't help it. I gotta say properties. I gotta say methods instead of functions. Like, it's just, I can't help it. Okay. Mustaches cannot be used. Okay, yep, got that. So it works a little differently. If is button disabled has a value null, undefined, or false, the disabled attribute will not even be included in the rendered button element. Oh, really? So if I say null... Oh, I can't do that. Oh, because I'm hard-coded. Ha 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 ha. Well, see, I'm using TypeScript, and I'm strongly typed. So that wouldn't happen to me. This null... undefined mess wouldn't happen in my code. because I am very purposefully setting the data types and setting values to prevent that kind of mess from happening. Okay. So yeah, I've only been binding to property keys, but we could do expressions as well. Ah, hey, Eggsy, you see this? Reverse. So if you're doing JavaScript, here, let's do this. Message. Can I just do dot? What do we want to split on? I don't want to split it. Yeah, split. I'm going to do exactly what they're doing. Split on nothing. Dot reverse. Whoop. Reverse. Whoops. Something like that. And then they're doing a dot join. Something like that. Look at that. It's reversed. Boop, 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 boop. Look at that. Ask and thou shalt receive. Eggsy, there is the answer to your question. If you're in JavaScript. Right? If you're in JavaScript, take your string and reverse it. Put your thing down, flip it, and reverse it. It's near if it's win yet. Anyone know that song? Just want to throw that out there. Okay, so that's cool. So yeah, so expressions totally makes sense. That's my engagement song. No way. Are you not even kidding? Lily, that is awesome. That is awesome. Little Missy Elliott. It was an unplanned engagement. IoT Fire. Why to deal with such headache, Ryan? Why not Blazor with C#? Because Blazor is not ready. I'm sorry, it's not ready. It's cool, it's okay, but it definitely has issues. Especially, I'm really worried about performance. It's still in preview for client side, by the way. So, Lily, just figured he would propose, and it happened to be that song. Well, congratulations. I don't know how long ago this was, but congratulations. And that is awesome. I wish that was on video. Ooh, directives. Yes. Okay. Directives are special attributes with the V prefix. Directive attribute values expressed to be a single JavaScript expression with the exception of V4. Okay. Yep. So we have if. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. So we could do this. V-if is, I'll just say is disabled. You don't see it because is disabled is false. But if I put true, I can see it now. I can see clearly now. Oh, yeah. False. Boom. Gone. Oh, Vue is so much better than React so far. Now, granted, I didn't get this far in React because I got frustrated with its component model structure. Okay, so we got your if statement. Looks like we have... So here's the vbind. Okay, I got that. I rewrote an app this month from C++ to React Native, and right now it's running so slowly, I don't know why. C++ is super fast. I don't know. I'm not familiar enough with React or React Native to make a educated comment. Yeah, I'm with Lily. I hope you can figure it out. Okay, so some directives can take an argument denoted by a colon after the directive name. So for vbind, colon, yep. Here, href is the argument, which tells vbind directive to bind the element's href attribute to the value of the expression. Another is the von. Yes, we did this. We did von. That's how we did the events. I kind of skipped around a little bit. The comment was pretty educated. Seems good. Paranoia System. Welcome. Thanks for joining. We are just learning some Vue. Man, I've been in so many frameworks lately, I can't even keep them straight. Okay, dynamic arguments. So I'm really liking the v-if. I'm really glad I discovered this. Not discovered, but I read up on this. I'm glad I found this. I use this a lot in Angular. Man, do you know React? No, I don't. We tried to learn React last week. It's not for me. React is not for me. Granted, I am a desktop developer, XAML, WinForms, C#, right? Full desktop dev, coming to web. So far, my favorite is Angular. That came really easy to me. I'm liking Vue already. Now, I haven't really gotten to the components and putting things together, but a lot of the bindings and the event handling is really easy, and I'm liking that. All right. All right, yeah, so that I'm not worried about. We already went over that. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Okay, modifiers. Yeah, we briefly went over the modifiers. They didn't make a lot of sense to me. Maybe on another stream I'll go deeper on that. So vbind shorthand. Oh, hey, there's shorthand for this. Paranoia System, thanks for the follow. Vue is better, React or Angular 2. Yeah, like I said, right now I like Angular would be my number 1. Vue is my number 2. The Boves! Thanks for the follow. And React isn't even on my list because I don't like it. Yes, I am a Microsoft MVP, which means I do a lot of stuff for free in my free time for the community. And Microsoft said, hey, you do so much good things. We're going to recognize you. And I'm like, thanks. Appreciate it. And then they give me lots of free stuff. I like that. Oh my goodness, I'm so just Nukri-shan. Just Nukri-shan. I'm sorry, I butchered that one. You have a nickname? Can I just call you Jish? IoT Fire. Angular's competing with Firefox on versioning cycles. Did not know that. SP Tanjan? Spatanjan? John! They're all different approaches to solving the same/slimmer problems. Vue is universally regarded as the easiest to pick up. I would agree with you. This is pretty easy. Today's my first day. File new, and it's pretty easy. Yes, Paranoia Systems. I do know Blazor. Yes, that's pretty easy too, actually, especially coming from because I'm a .NET developer, so it's even easier. So v-on shorthand. So v-on, yep, right there. That's what we're talking about. And so I don't have to do vbind. Where was I using? I could just do this. Just colon. Does that still work? Yeah. Let me go true. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. Oh, wait a minute. Did you see that? That disappeared. Something doesn't work. Okay. True. So now this, did you notice that? I have a v-if. If disabled is true, I want to see this. It's my hello reverse split text. But I hit click me. Oh. It's because I actually changed the message here. That's why it didn't disappear. I'm forgetting the code I'm writing. That's all. Lots of playground code, right? We're playing around. So, does anyone actually use Vue? I want to know your opinion on the shorthand versus v.bind. Right? I mean, what's your opinion? I almost think in this case you might want v.bind. Right? Oh, wait, I messed it up. I did something wrong. There we go. Whew. Digicrest. React is probably the most used, though, right? React has a ton of usage, and I have no idea why, because it's so hard to use. You have to completely change the way you think about how you write your views and how they all interact and everything. It's a pain. But yeah, it has a ton of adoption. Everyone uses the shorthand. Okay, yeah, usually the shorthand. But Digicrest, he likes to use the, or she, I don't know. Digicrest. You like to use the v-bind. And yeah, personal preference. I guess if you like to be explicit. But that, I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. I'll have to use it some more to decide what I like. I do like the shorthand for the on, though. I do like that @ symbol shorthand better. I might start using this. Okay. Hey, we went through that whole thing. Sweet. Computed properties and watchers. What is this? Okay, yeah, we went through this. Reverse message. Yeah. That's not a problem. Computed caching versus methods. Watchers and computed. Oh, no. John, the full syntax clutters the markup and makes it harder for my brain to parse. Whereas the shorthand starting with the symbol makes it quick for my brain to parse what is happening. Same for @. Yeah, I definitely like the @. I will definitely use the @ shorthand. And I can see that versus... Whoops. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. You may notice we can achieve the same result by invoking a method in the expression. Yes, we could do it. We could do methods in here. Like, so instead of, where else am I using counter? Let me get rid of this. What if I went like get message? We could do that, right? That's what it's saying. Get message turns to string. Return this dot message. Whoops. And it should work. Oh wait, I'm hiding it. I'm hiding it. Oh, I just changed it. I'll change it. Well, that didn't work actually. Because I have my if on there. There we go. Yeah, okay, I got that. So we can do, just like in Angular, inside the interpolation, we can do methods and functions and all that great stuff. Robert Tables, thanks for the follow. Nice. And welcome. Welcome to our experimentation with Vue, Vue.js. Learning all about it. So John, computer properties are great for filtering or combining properties. First name plus last name. I can see that. I wonder if there's a performance problem or a performance hit, I should say. I haven't done any performance analysis on any of these syntaxes. As opposed, you know, should you have a method to get to this? Should you just concatenate? Like if I had a first name, last name, could I just put it right, just define it as a computed property? I don't know. I'm sure one's faster than the other. Okay, I was down here. Computer versus watched property. So, more generic way to observe and react to data changes. Watch properties. When you have data that needs to change based on some other data, it's tempting to overuse watch, especially if you're coming from Angular. Yes, I can see that. When it's often better to use a computer property. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. You can actually... Well, that's kind of cool. Although, I'm not sure I would want to use this. Yeah, I think I would just rather have a computed property instead of using a watch. Because a watch is a callback. Huh. Robert Tables, today we all learned. Oh, computer properties are cached. So they're very efficient. Methods have to be recomputed every call. So they're more... Oh, gotcha. So the watch, this value is cached. And then this has to be computed every single time. How would I do that in TypeScript? I'm not sure. Wait, new view. See, that is not even in this. I wonder if that's off the component. Ooh, it is. Oh, look what I found. Is it though? Okay, let's test. Test. Can I do this? No, I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this wrong. This is JavaScript. But it does exist. I got IntelliSense for it. Watch, alias, function watch. Okay. Oh, is that the type for the watch handler? I got my hopes up. I thought that was how I would do it, but you're probably right. Okay, what if I did this? View watch in TypeScript. Nope. Nope. Maybe. Maybe. So I see a style. Template style. Ooh. Hey, can you do this? I would much rather have it look like this. Can I, what is this? Do I have that? Oh, no. This is something different. TypeScript decorators to make Vue feel more TypeScripty. Yeah, I would love to be able to put my HTML in an actual HTML file, not have it all in one file. Oh, man. Yeah, it looks like, oh, Vue-TypeScript. Okay, I don't want to do that. I want to use what's in the box. Quantum, what's that? Quantumifier Coft 3? Is that how you say that? Hello, who are you? That's a good question. Sometimes I wake up and I ask myself that same question. Who am I? No, my name is Brian Lagunas. And I am a developer, desktop developer, who likes to code and learn new things. And today we are learning Vue. First time I've ever touched Vue, and so far so good. The problem is I was looking at this watch right here. But this is JavaScript, and we're in this new Vue thing. And I don't know how to do that in TypeScript. So, yeah, computer properties. I'm not oh, watchers, right here. Oh, okay. Gary, so for how long did you sit here learning Vue? Until I think I have it, I guess. I'll probably do it on Thursday. I'll probably keep learning Vue. But check this out. I can totally do a watch. Let's add one. We'll add it right here. So I'm going to say at watch. Yes. My property. Sure, my property. Then on property changed, which I'm assuming this can be named whatever you want. Right? Oh, this is so much better. Okay. So, that is cool. Let's do message, because I have a message property. Where is it? Right there. So when that changes, I want to window.console.log the new value. Oh, can't type. Value. Right? Oh, plus. Sorry. Whoops. What's value? Okay. Okay, this is cool. Let's clear this. Click me. Oh, but change. Change 2, change 3, change 4. Nice. That is sweet. I like that. New value. Old value. I really like this. New value. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wow. I'm getting excited. What the fuck? That name. What the fuck? Your screen name is awesome. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. What the fuck? That's better than Chicken 9. Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. What the Falcon? You know what? Just because I said that, YouTube is gonna flag this. Because they're gonna think I'm saying the other thing. IoT Fire, Chicken 9. You don't know Chicken 9? Chicken 9. Yeah, the whole stream is ruined now. The moderators are gonna shut my YouTube channel down for cursing. I swear I didn't curse. I didn't curse. I swear. Oh my god, that's amazing. Okay. So, if you're using TypeScript, we can add a watch with this attribute. And that is so much easier than this mess. Look at this. Look at that. This is so much easier. What the freak? Or what the frick? Yeah, what the frick? Oh my gosh. That's an awesome screen name. That is the highlight of the stream right there. Okay. So, TypeScript, using a watch is way easier than using it in JavaScript. See, TypeScript is just better. It's just better. I'm sorry. You will never convince me to use pure JavaScript. I am a TypeScript guy for sure. And Yeah. Okay, so this... Okay, yeah. This is cached. So this is better than a computed property than the one first name, last name, or something like that in interpolation. Got it. While computer properties are more... Yep, watchers. Watch is an option. Asynchronous or expensive operations in response to changing data. Ooh, methods. What's this? Watch. Oh my gosh, look how... This looks complicated. Created. Methods. What is all that mess? Oh, let me guess. Can I do this too? Can I go... No, okay, so I can't do that. Okay, I don't think I can do that either. Actually, I'm not sure what these do. I'm not sure what the created is. I'm not sure what methods... I don't know what these are. I'm sure if I read a little bit... I'm sure there's a way. There's definitely a way. I just not going to spend the time to do it. But that's cool. That's much easier than JavaScript. Okay. Class and style binding. You know what? What time is it? Dang, it's 11:57 already. I think I have to call it a day because it's approaching my lunchtime. And my wife comes home for lunch every day, and I get to sit down and enjoy a wonderful lunch with her. And it's a date that I do not miss. So I'm going to call it a stream. That's it. I'm calling it. That's right, Lily. Wifey time. So Thursday, I will continue. What the fuck, man? Oh, that's awesome. So Thursday, I will continue learning Vue, and I'm feeling more confident. Like, I don't feel so lost in Vue like I did React, right? Code Environmentalist, thanks for the follow. Yeah, I don't feel so lost. Like in Vue, I mean, in React, I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what the fuck? Completely lost, didn't know, like, it was confusing. This is coming so much easier. Like, this is so much easier than React. I'm really digging Vue, actually. Now, if I can only figure out how to separate these into different files, so it's not like one big, huge file, that would be kind of cool. But yeah, let's Thursday, let's continue learning Vue. We'll go through class and style bindings, conditional rendering, lists. We already did event handling. And then I want to figure out components. Like, how do we start navigating around, right? How do we start composing our interface once we have all this data showing up? That's one thing React didn't show us. Is like, how do you like get your data? How do you do all this stuff with data? Yeah, don't get me started on that. Couldn't even do an if statement. That was ridiculous, right? But yeah, so we will continue with components and composing our Vue. But I'm liking what I see so far. Vue has a thumbs up for me so far. React is a big stink thumbs down so far. All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. It was a blast, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.